Today we saw those temperatures drop well below zero, and you would think with all that plenty of sunshine that it would help warm us up, but that's not the case here. This is where you can blame the snow, because all that new snow has helped radiate all of that energy back out into the atmosphere, and since there's no clouds, it's not trapping it, so we didn't really get to feel much of that sun today. But
Kaylee, when can we expect this thing to hit?
Well, Jennifer, I've been watching this all day, last night, all day long, and we can expect in the central Illinois area to move in between 6 and 8 p.m. tonight. Already in Effingham area, you can see it on our Storm Tracker 5X. They are currently having a wintry pre-sieve of falling sleet, freezing rain. That's the northern border of it right now. We're going to have it slowly move to the northeast, and as it does that, it's going to move into the rest of the central Illinois area. Let's take a look at all of the warnings real quick that we have on the boards. Very colorful on that screen there. You see we have a freezing rain advisory for most of the viewing area. That will be until noon tomorrow through the morning hours. And then we also have an ice storm warning where we think most of the ice will fall. I'll have details on how much and when it's going to move out of the area coming up later on in the newscast. And as that happens, we're going to see freezing rain move in, and then it's going to switch to rain as we head into after midnight into the morning hours of your Friday. Doppler radar is showing you freezing rain moving in, and it's going to continue to move to the northeast here. And you're asking yourself, temperatures are in the 20s. Why is it rain? Well, it's because we're looking in the upper levels in the clouds where a lot of warm air is in place right now. So all of those ice crystals melting into rain, and as they hit the ground, that is below freezing, so it starts to get a sheet of ice, and anything with 1/10 of an inch of ice or more is a skating rink on those roads. So travel conditions are going to be icy. Freezing rain in central Illinois tonight. What will our morning commute be like? I'm Kaylee Dion. I'll have those details coming up tonight at 10.
Ice is forming tonight, and state police telling everyone to stay off the roads. Let's go first to our weather center and Kaylee Dion. It's going to be a tough night tonight, Kaylee.
Yes, Dave, it's going to be very tough considering we're already getting reports of 2/10 of an inch, and once we get to a 1/4 inch of ice, it's considered an ice storm. So we are seeing that accumulation beginning as freezing rain is falling everywhere in central Illinois right now, and we're going to continue to see that from south to north moving in, and some of that will switch to rain, but most of the area will be in freezing rain. So it's going to be very slick out there and could be on power lines and trees and cause a very messy Friday morning. I'll have more details on your forecast coming up.